During this video, we're going to look at multiplying fractions. So if I have the fraction here, 1 over 2, or a half, multiplied by a third, when I'm multiplying fractions, all I need to do is multiply the numerator together and then the denominators together. So my answer there is going to be 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1, over 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. So therefore, a half multiplied by a third is going to equal a sixth. In the second example here, I have a sixth multiplied by 2/3. Okay, so the same principle again. I need to multiply my numerators together first and then my denominators. So I can think of it as 1 multiplied by 2 over 6 multiplied by 3, which will equal 2 over 18. Okay, and now I can still simplify that because they're both even numbers. So if I divide both by 2, divide by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. So a simplified answer of that is 1 over 9. However, I can do that also in a different way and get to the answer 1 over 9. What I can look to do in my fractions is look diagonally opposite. So the 1 and the 3, and we're looking for common factors. 1 and 3, we don't have any common factors, but 6 and 2, they're both even numbers. Okay, and the common factor is going to be 2. So what I can do, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now that I've simplified my fractions, I still need to multiply the numerators, which is 1 over 1, which will give me 1 multiplied by 1, which gives me 1. And then I have 3 multiplied by 3, which will give me 9, which is the same answer as what I got before, okay, just by multiplying it out and then simplifying at the end. I like to try and simplify before I multiply out, and that will make it easier to get to the correct answer. Okay, now there's 3 problems here. It's your turn to have a go. So I want you to pause the video and try these 3 questions. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to look to see if I can simplify. Looking for common factors, and we don't have any that way. But if I look the other way, again, no common factors. So all I need to do is multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. So 1 multiplied by 3 gives me 3. And 5 multiplied by 10 gives me 50. So my answer there is 3 over 50. With my second one, looking diagonally, I have 7 and 14. I can see that 7's common to both. So what I'm going to do is divide 7 by itself, which will give me 1. And 14 divided by 7 will give me 2. Now I look the other 2 numbers, so 5 and 20. So again, 5 is a common factor of 20 in itself. So if I divide 5 by 5, that'll give me 1. And 20 by 5, it'll give me 4. So now I'm looking at 1 over 1 divided by 2 over 4. Or sorry, multiplied by 2 over 4. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. And 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. And I can go once again, okay? 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. In the final question here, we have 4 multiplied by 1 over 5. Now, if I have a whole number, I can think of it as a fraction and put it over 1. So now I can look at it as 4 multiplied by 1. So the numerators multiplied together will give me 4. And the denominators multiplied together, 1 multiplied by 5, will give me 5. So my answer is going to be 4/5.